Hi friends, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to discuss with you very much important topic, that is clocks topic. These clock topic are very much important for you if you are attending any placement test or any government exam. So that regarding any competitive exam like that. So definitely they will be asking you pretty much straightforward question to check your analytic skills, that is reasoning skills. Okay. So basically I'm discussing with you a few topics that come under these clocks. So if you prepare that, you will be able to answer any question from this certain topic. Okay. Okay. So let's directly jump into topic. So without wasting much time. So basically there will be a clock, as I said. Okay. So this is certain clock. Okay. So in this clock only we have two topics, that is we have having digital clocks or analog clocks. Okay, so we are having two types of clocks, that is digital and analog clocks. So we will be not getting in any kind of examination these digital type questions. Most of the examinations we are only getting analog type questions, analog clock questions only. Okay, so basically this is the picture I'm showing with you is an analog clock. Okay, so this is an analog clock. Basically it is having a minute hand. So it is having minute hand, hour hand and second hand. Basically they will be also asking only from minute hand. In your questions also they will be giving you in minute hand and hour hand terminologies only. They will be not including second hand like that. Okay, so basically this is the minute hand, you are very well known, and this is the hour hand. Okay, so they will be not discussing much about this minute hand and all in your examination questions and all. Okay, so you can expect a question from minute and hour hand regarding this. So I will be discussing few certain topics that will be very important for you. First of all, I'm discussing with you mirror image. So basically what is mirror image? So today's topic is mirror image. Okay, so I'm discussing with you mirror image. So there will be mirror and water images, frequent questions that will be coming in your examination and all. So that is very important for your examinations. Okay, so basically what is mirror image is like so I hope you very well known, like if we take a clock like this. Okay, this clock having like this so different timings and all. If you place a mirror in between these two clocks, so there will be forming a mirror reflection here. Okay, so mirror reflection here. So we need to find out that exact mirror reflection of this particular image. So this is called mirror image. In many of the competitive exams they will be asking you what is the mirror image of particular clock, like that they will be asking you. Okay. Okay, so basically you're having like this. So I'm showing you in exact diagrammatic way. So this is the mirror image topic. So in this, if you place a clock in between, beside, in front of the clock, so there will be a mirror image definitely. So if you stand in front of mirror, your image will be reflected, right, in certain way. So if you place a clock in front of mirror, there will be a reflection of another image. So they're asking like that. So if you place a 9:25 clock in front of mirror, you will be getting a 2:35 timing of a image from the mirror. So there is a simple so it sometimes it will be difficult to find out the exact answer. So but I'm giving you short trick called, so in physics we have it like formula like that is, so I'm writing here for you. Make a note of it. It is very important, like it is very useful and handy while solving this mirror image questions regarding clock. Okay, so that formula is nothing but so actual time plus reflected time. Actual time plus reflected time is always 12. Okay, so make a note of it. It is very useful while solving the questions that regarding mirror image of a clock and all. Okay, so what I'm telling is like, so actual time in the sense, this is the actual time plus reflected time. This is, so if we add both these things, you will always get 12 o'clock. So do add 9:25 and 2:35, it is going to be 12 o'clock. So this is the simplest trick I'm telling you regarding this mirror image. Okay, so by using this simple sentence or simple equation, I can solve any question from mirror image that comes in my examination. Okay, so let's try few examples so that it will be more clearer to you to answer and all. So find the mirror image of the clock when the time is 2:40. They were asking like this. Exactly these kind of questions will be coming in your examinations. So you need to be prepared for this question. Okay. So they will be asking like there is a mirror image of a clock. What is the time if 2:40? So there is a clock having 2:40. So I said one formula for you. So actual time plus reflected time is equal to 12 o'clock always. Okay, so they were given the mirror image of a clock 2:40 they given, so actual time they have given 2:40 plus reflected time they're asking 12 o'clock. So if you want reflected time or mirror image, you need to subtract from 12 o'clock this 12:40. If you are finding difficult to calculate subtracting with this 12 o'clock, you can write it as 1160. Okay, 1160 minus 240, 1160 minus 240 in the sense, so 2 and 920. So answer is going to be 920. So see friends how easy it was. So like if you want to try like in your imaginations, it will be very difficult to you to answer and all in certain tidy examinations and all. Okay, so this is the actual way you need to do it. So let's do it much faster. Okay, so the next, I hope you got the solution how I taken and all. So I just taken this 12 o'clock as 1160, 11 hours plus 60 minutes. So I subtracted 240 from that. So the answer is going to be 920. So the next question is like, so they will be asking in railway timings and all. Okay, so find the mirror image of the clock when time is 15:35. They will be asking like this. Okay, so directly take 24-hour format. So 24 format in the sense you need to write like this: 23 hours plus 60 minutes. So if you 15 if you subtract 1535 from this, you will get the reflected time, that is mirror image. Mirror time you will be getting. Okay, 5 2 7, that's it, 725. So see friends how easy it was. Not 725, it is 825. 825. Okay, so 8. Okay, great. So see this like follow this procedure to find mirror image in your real kind of examinations and all. So it is very easy for you to calculate and all in your examination. So comment your answer below. So like I'm asking like find the mirror image of the clock if the time is 1:15. So just subtract from, you know, right, what to subtract and all. So just comment your answer. So comment your answer, do follow this method. It is very subtract from 1160 from that time and comment your answer so that I can see and tell you whether you are done correctly or not. Okay,